Hello guys, welcome to our new tech show. Uh, we are going to share some impressive leaks about Google Pixel 5 Pro. You will be here. You will be amazed to know that there's been leak about under display camera. This is a totally new technology. Let's go through some leaks and news about that. Let's check out there's been several Google Pixel 5 Pro appears in suspicious live images. When Google announced its Pixel 5 back in September, many wondered if we would ever see a true flagship from the search giant again. Well, we now have a pair of live images, what is allegedly called the Pixel 5 Pro. You should definitely take those images with caution, as it's the first time we are seeing or hearing anything about this device. Let's see some more images. Here are those. It has a 8GB RAM, Bluetooth version 5.1, and here you can see no cameras or punch hole. Here you can see that more clearly. Let's check out another image. Based on the image, we can see the device does not come out with a cutout for the selfie cam, which could mean an under display camera. So far we have only seen ZTE pull this off with their Axon 25C, so it's doubtful Google will try and experiment with such a risky move. The other shot of the device reveals its about section, giving us the Pixel 5 Pro name and confirming its dual SIM capabilities, but not much more. Let's check another page. Several Twitter pages also mentioned about under skin cameras, notchless display. There's no word on the screen size, cameras or battery, and an AIDS64 check reveals the phone is powered by the Snapdragon 865 along with the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. We will just have to wait for more leaks to fill us in on the impossible Pixel 5 Pro. We'll see some more leaks in future. Let's stay with